The three crops that produce the majority of calories on Earth are wind-pollinated. Bees are irrelevant to those, but the 87 crop species that do depend on bee pollination include almonds, avocados, blueberries, cherries, coffee, cocoa, and nearly every vitamin-dense food in the human diet. The annual value of what bees do for global agriculture, $577 billion. Not one size 4 years. But the math is actually less than the point, because we don't lose everything. We lose the part of our diet that keeps us healthy. This video is about the bee, not just what it does, what it is. Block 1, what a bee is. There are approximately 20,000 species of bees on Earth. Most people know one. The honeybee, Apis mellifera, the western honeybee, is the one we kept, the one we moved across the world in ceramic pots and wooden boxes, the one whose honey